Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. Okay, so I gotta look on my calendar, you guys, because I've been out of town this weekend, and until Monday I won't really have my Vlogmas schedule the way I like it to be. I like to be organized for Vlogmas, and I'm not organized, you guys, so just bear with me and we'll get through it, okay? But for today's video is a collaboration, yes, a collaboration between some of my rowdy friends here on YouTube, some of my favorite rowdy friends. So it's Eva, it's Fuchsia Floyd, Eva, it's Cami of Cami'S Closet, and Winnie B LV, okay? So we are going to be reviewing and talking about our Coach heart bag. So I'm really excited to hear what they have to say. I have a lot to say about this bag, you guys. I'm absolutely in love with it. And if you want to hear what we have to say, stick around by jolly old St. Nicholas. All right, guys, I was talking away. I didn't hit record. All right, guys, how do you like my little friends? I just kind of put them up here for now. I collect these little things, and then half the time my granddaughters come over and take half of them home with them. This one I've had for years, and this is something my dad got me. He got my mom one and my sister one, a little Santa Claus on a sleigh. He used to come home with things like this. So I'm gonna put little Santa and his sleigh over here by the tree. Anyway, you guys, I don't really have things worked out for Vlogmas and planned out exactly the way I want it to, because we've had so much going on with football. But now that it's over, starting on Monday, I'm going to be more of a routine. I'm going to be uploading all of my vlogs at 8 o'clock Central Time. Okay, so that's the way I roll here on my channel for Vlogmas. Alright guys, so as I said, me and my rowdy friends, we are doing this collaboration. We are talking about this gorgeous bag that we all love it. It takes my breath away. And so I can't wait to hear what my friends say about it. But you guys, when the Chanel Coach bag came out, okay, there I go. And that's another thing. I'm not going to be doing a lot of editing. You're just going to see me raw and, you know, messing up Hot Mess Yota, okay? So this is really, for me, it's Christmas, Vlogmas, Vlogmas, hot mess, okay? So anyway, when the Chanel heart bag came out, I was like, oh, I love it so much. But there's no way, I mean, if I were gonna pay Chanel money for a bag, and this is the way I feel about it, it would be a classic. You know, that kind of money. So I just lusted from afar. Like Dale, she got it, and I lusted, and every bag, every time I saw the Chanel heart bag, I was like, oh my God. But you guys, when this bag, when I saw it, and this came available, I don't know what came over me. I ordered it. And I know I've said time and time again, I'm not gonna order Chanel full price. Okay, why am I saying Chanel? I'm not gonna order Coach full price, but you guys, I didn't care. I didn't think twice. I saw it, and I put it in my cart, and I ordered it, and I don't care if it goes down to $10. Then I'll just order a bunch more. But anyway, you guys, I just didn't care. I saw it, and I don't even think it was a case of FOMO. It was just that I have to have that bag, because look at it. Honestly, oh my gosh. And I know here in the YouTube world we'll say, oh, it's very Chanel-esque, or it gives you Chanel vibes. You know, we say that stuff. I don't know if anybody else says that kind of stuff. Is it just YouTubers? I mean, but anyway, it is very Chanel-esque, and it's got the very, look at that, the puffy little pillows, you guys. It's a very soft bag. I do like structure, but I don't like too much structure. And one thing, when I ordered this bag and I opened it, I was like, oh! I was in love right away. Okay, so Candy ordered it. I'm gonna tell off on you, girl. And at first she's like, I think I'm gonna send it back. And I'm like, girl, you're not sending that bag back. I made her try it on for me. And then she decided, I better keep this bag. I think she thought it was too small. But you guys, this bag, it may be kind of small, but it packs a punch, you guys. It really does. And what I really love about this bag, other than everything, is the fact that it is all black and it's sleek. Even the C, it's black on black, and unlike the Chanel bag, it has that pocket. And at first I was like, they should have put the pocket on it. They should have totally duped it. I mean, big deal, you guys. They all dupe each other, okay? Doop-de-doop-de-doo. I mean, I don't care about that. I've heard people griping about, oh, they dupe this, they dupe that. But they do. Everybody dupes each other. But you know what? I think Chanel or Coach, I really need to edit this. I think Coach did the right thing because it's a very streamlined, sleek, classy bag. And even though it's a bit of a novelty bag, because of the way that they put this bag together, it's very classic at the same time with the big pillowy pillows and just the tiny little C, you guys. It has the black hardware. Of course, there are other versions. So Coach has other versions. There's a red one, there's a with the C on it. There's other versions, okay? But this is the version that I just saw it and I just ordered it immediately. I love the fact that we can change straps. Now, I'm not a big strap changer, and I love this strap because I think it's the perfect width, and of course, it's adjustable because Coach, they do straps right. But I love the fact that we can take this off and make it something different. So from Amazon, I ordered a strap for this bag, trying to make it more Chanel-ish, Chanel-esque. Okay, I ordered this strap, but I don't like it. Okay, it's just an Amazon strap. See? It's okay. I mean, it's not terrible, and I can use it with the bag. And it had this tassel on it, which made it look terrible. I'm gonna toss this in the trash right now because that didn't look good. I guess just with this little strap, you know, I can use it for now, but I think I'm going to order a dress up your purse strap, because she has very high quality straps. You guys, go to Dress Up Your Purse and use my code. But look, see, I was trying to get that Chanel look, but honestly, this is too small. Okay, it's smaller than the strap that goes with it. This is too small, and to me, it looks cheap. So I'm not gonna use this. I'm going to get in touch with Melody, and I'm gonna order the perfect strap for it because she has some beautiful Chanel-esque straps. But I love it just the way it is. I love the fact that the zipper is so buttery and that you unzip it. There's two leather pulls here. It unzips on both sides, bam and bam, okay? And you open it up and I mean, look at that. It's got a mouth as big as Winnie BLV's. Did I say that? Oh, I'll just tell her. Don't tell her. Anyway, it's got a big wide mouth. And there's the Coach Creed. It's got a little area here where you can put your card. I mean, this is a big roomy bag. Now, I'm not gonna show what fits inside. Some of the other girls might. I think I already did that and did some modeling for you guys. But you can put a lot of stuff in this bag, trust me. I've used it several times. I love it, and I do love it just with the strap that it goes with, but I will probably order something from Dress Up Your Purse because her straps are very high quality and they're larger. I think it would look more Chanel-esque. It's got the little hang tag here. Oh my gosh, you guys, what is not to say? What is not to love about this bag? So, I paid $3.95 retail for this bag, and I don't regret it for a moment. Okay, so also, this is the large size. Now, Winnie B, she likes her tiny bags. Tiny bags! So hers is the small version. So when you go over to Winnie's video and watch, hers is the smaller version. Eva and Cami and I have the same size, just the regular size. You know, it'd be kind of cool if they had even a bigger one, but whatever. This is a great everyday size. But anyway, you guys, I just wanted to let you know that. And also, when I saw this bag, I wanted it so bad. I was like, Chanel heart bag, what? Like, I forgot all about it because I'm not just saying this. I'm so happy with this. I mean, for the money, of course. I mean, of course, if you said, do you want this bag or do you want the Chanel heart bag? You know, being the brand hoe that I am, and just being the shallow person that I am when it comes to name brands, I'd take the Chanel, even though I love this. But if I had to pay for it, this is fabulous, okay? It's fabulous. I'm just so glad that I got it, and I really, what I'm trying to say here is I'm not lusting over the Chanel heart bag anymore. So if I get a Chanel bag, it's gonna be a classic. I already said that. I'm not gonna be editing, so I'm gonna look like a hot mess in this video. But you guys, what I'm trying to say is I love this bag. It holds a lot. It zips all the way down to the side. I probably already showed you that, but that right there, I think, is the difference between this one and my Kurt Geiger heart bag, which I didn't bring in here, but see, it opens up. It has a gusset, but my Kurt Geiger heart bag only unzips to about right here. So that makes a big difference when you're putting things in and out of this bag. Okay guys, so really, I don't know what else to say about this bag. I mean, later on, I do plan to come back after I've used it about 6 months and do a wear and tear. I've looked at the stitching. I mean, I've really looked it over, and the stitching is even. It's beautiful. I mean, I don't see one area that, you know, draws my attention to it. It's just, it's a very well-made bag. So I will do a wear and tear on this later on, okay? All right, so that's all of this. Now, once you guys watch my video and subscribe, that could be your Christmas present to me, you guys. Subscribe, because I've been giving away some free shit lately, so you need to be subscribed. Yes, bribery. Go over and watch Winnie, Eva, Cami, and subscribe to them and tell them that you came from my channel. And yes, just, you know, see what they have to say. I'll meet you over there, as a matter of fact, in just a few minutes. But before I let you go, I do want to let you guys know that I am going to get more into a Vlogmas type routine, and I'm really excited. I'm just starting out a little bit bumpy, okay? Just bear with me, you guys, but we're gonna have a lot of fun during Vlogmas this year. All right, so that's my review of this gorgeous bag that I love so much with all of my heart. I love you. I just love it so much. Okay, so that's it, you guys. Go watch my friends. Peace.